I just added 2 cans of chili right into my skillet. To make it even better, here I have some diced up onion. I'm just gonna put that all over the top. Ooh, as much onion, you just can't go wrong with onion on chili. Am I right or am I right? Seriously. Now I have some delicious Colby Jack cheddar cheese. I'll put all of that right there on top of that chili. Oh, you guys, this is one of my favorite go-to little easy meals, or you could use this as a side dish. Either way, definitely budget friendly and definitely delicious. Now this is a very important part. I have some Pillsbury biscuits here that I'm gonna start to cut up in little pieces, and I'm gonna place them all over the top of this chili dish that we are making here, you guys. This is really going to bring together the dish, and oh my goodness, I just love the biscuits with the chili and the cheese. It is so delicious. We are almost done with our biscuits here. I think we have room for 2 more. There we go. That is gonna create such a wonderful layer right on top of that chili, you guys. I have a little bit of melted butter right here, and I am just going to kind of glaze over these biscuits just really quick and easy with some of this melted butter, just so it gets really crispy and golden brown on top. I think that is going to be so wonderful. I'm also gonna grab my Colby Jack cheese here one more time and just sprinkle a little bit of cheese right on top of those biscuits. As they grow and the cheese melts, it'll bake right into the biscuit and be even better with that chili. Holy smokes, you guys, this looks great. Wow, you guys, this was so easy. We have our chili, our onions, our cheese. You cannot forget the biscuits. It was really what brings this all together, you guys. I'm gonna pop it in the oven, and when it comes out, we're gonna have this layer of golden brown biscuits in this cheesy and warm chili. It is going to be divine. You are going to love it. Stick around and see how it turns out. Oh my goodness, our chili and cheese skillet is all done. Wow, looking at that is making me so hungry. It smells absolutely delicious. Look at how golden brown those biscuits are, and a little bit of the cheese. Wow, look at that chili in there. This is gonna be so amazing, you guys. I just wanna scoop some of it out. Look at that. You can see the biscuits, the cheese right there. Oh my goodness. Yes, I just want to get a little bit more of that chili. Wow. This is so good. You know, what a good little easy comfort food for the wintertime months. So perfect, right? What are your favorite comfort foods? This is definitely one of mine. And oh my goodness, you guys, this is steaming. But look at that cheesiness and the biscuits. Oh my gosh, the cheese just, the cheese just keeps being cheesy. All right, I don't want to burn myself. It's a little hot. All right, I'm gonna go in for it. Look at that, one-stop shop. You got your biscuit, your chili, your cheese, your onion. Bam, so good, you guys. It's what's for dinner tonight. Let me know when you give it a try. You're gonna love this.